Hi everyone, welcome to Hmong Creations. This is a new listing that I just recently put up. It is for a newborn baby girl outfit. You will get 4 pieces. So you get the headband, which is the flower part at the top, the purple flower. You get the shirt. The sash and the shay are connected, so you don't have to worry about struggling with keeping those 2 pieces together as I did when I had my baby girl. So I sewed the sash directly onto the shay, so you just put that on like an apron, and then you have the tutu piece, which is the 4th piece. This particular outfit, the color is a peach color, and then it has the purple embroidered trim. It is embroidered. It's not just print, if you guys were wondering. It's embroidered, so it's a little bit more expensive than just the print. That if I were to use that, that's why the price is, I have to put it up a little bit higher. So it's also lace. The shirt part is lace, so as you can see there, you can see my fingers through the shirt. So the top part, obviously it's more geared towards for newborn photos. So or you can have your little one wear a jacket or a sweater underneath and then put the shirt on top. You can do that as well if you want to wear that during the new year. But it is see-through, so it's very cute. It will show right through her skin. So just precious. And the shay part, I did put a white felt piece on the back. So when I had my baby girl, my shay was not sturdy, so it kind of went into the dress. So that's why I decided I wanted the felt on there, just to give it a little bit stability. So here's just the size of the baby itself, or the outfit itself, with my 2-year-old daughter. It is pretty small, so it is gonna only fit a newborn to about 2 months, maybe 3 if the baby is a little bit smaller. But I did base my outfit off of this outfit here where I had my baby. I think she was about only 5 days old in this picture, so very, very newborn. So I did base the sizing off of this outfit. So if you were wondering how I got my sizing, that's how I got my sizing. So if you're wondering, okay. So thanks for looking. Right now it's going for $55 plus $4 shipping. So it would be that price. And again, these are one-of-a-kind items. So usually I don't make the same thing again unless I have a request, or I just feel like, oh, this is the cutest thing ever, I want to make another outfit. So most of these are just one-of-a-kind. So, and I make them. So super cute. It's giving me baby fever. I want to have another little girl again, just so I can put her in these outfits and take photos for you. But no little ones at the moment, just my 2-year-old and almost 4-year-old at home with me. So thanks for looking. Have a good rest of the day.